another tank building video. Today I'm going to be doing the M3 Lee. This was basically the predecessor to the M4 Sherman that we all know. So let's get started on this. So first first layer you're going to need a nether brick slayer, a stone button, and nether bricks, along with the dark oak fence and stone slab. So first we want to place down a nether brick block, and then put a slab on the back, and go from here 6. So including this is 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then put a slab on the front. And then go. It's raining. Weather. So then we want to go. You want to go 3 parts like this. So fill that in, and then place your 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then place your nether brick slab, then dark oak fence gate. And then like there. And then put your buttons on the side. I know there's supposed to be 6 road wheels, but blame Garrett 2x4 for that, because there's 7. So the next layer you're going to need nether brick. This does have an inside, I'm just saying. Snow anvil. Dang it. Ugh. So I'm gonna need nether brick. This. Let me just do this now. This. So you're gonna need just do this like that. So there, here. Put your nether brick slabs on there, and then place your dark oak stairs in there in like a pattern like this. So it goes like stair. Have a 1 block gap in between each stair. So we have like a stair, gap, stair, gap, stair, gap. And then those gaps, you want to place a dark oak fence. And then do that right there. Fences, and put in your stairs. Stair. And then put 3 wide right there. Now I'm going to take some tripwire and a sign. So we want to put tripwire either side of the sign right there. You see that? And then I'm gonna place 2 concrete blocks right there. So now for the inside, you're going to need a spruce trapdoor, iron trapdoor, a map of just blank white or whatever, an item frame, a torch. Actually, no, not yet. You're gonna need a jungle trapdoor, a lever, a snow layer, and an anvil. So let's do this. So yeah, now I want to place some white concrete, which I did not get. Where's that? White concrete. Put it right here. Either side, and put anvil, 2 anvils right there. Now I put 1, 2, 3 snow layers right there. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And put a spruce trapdoor for like a seat. And then I'm gonna put a lever here. 2 jungle trapdoors right there and there. Now I'm gonna put 3 across for white concrete, and then put a lever facing downwards right there. Yeah. Now you're gonna put 2 iron trapdoors right here. So 1, 2. Now I'm going to place 2 oak trapdoors in a specific area. So I want to place this right here so it folds down this way, and this one right here so it folds down this way, so you can go down right there and get the turret ring. It's the turret basket right there. So now you've finished the second layer. So the third layer, I'm going really fast for some reason, I don't know why. So place another brick green carpet right there, so put it on each corner except for that one, because that's one's gonna be different. So I'm gonna take your mossy cobblestone wall and put 1, 2, 3, 4 right there, and take your green concrete. Let's just get rid of this inside. Green concrete, and go all the way back to here, then go 3 cross right there, and then go all the way up to there. So let's do times set 0, 0, 0. So then you want to place a stair there, and a stair here, and then place one right there, so it makes this shape. Then you want to take a dark oak slab and a sign. So put it right there. And then you want to take a dispenser and your iron trapdoor and place it right here. And then place your iron trapdoor right there. So now you can take your white concrete and build it up 1. Now take a torch, put it right there. Then take an item frame right here. And a map, put it right there. So how to make this map, so you take a 8x8 chunk size. So you want to go like, each chunk is 16 blocks. So multiply 16 by 8 times 16 times 8 times, I don't know. So just go, this is basically 1 chunk. So there's 8 chunks. So 8 by 8 chunks, which is 16, 16, 16. So 8 16ths by 8 16ths, and then you just fill that in a square. And so each, then you go, I don't know. So that's just how you get this. So weather clear. So let's beans, blah, blah, blah. So now you got that then, how to make the map. So just place your item frames wherever you want. So you want to place a spruce trapdoor there. Actually, no, you break that block and put a trapdoor there, and the trapdoor right there. And so you have like this 3 wide trapdoor. So you have this, you can see there's a thing there. So yeah. So this is basically, now I want to place this right here. So this is basically just layer 3. Now for layer 4, what you're going to want to do is place 3 blocks of green concrete right there, and then 3 like here, and then like that. So make this kind of shape. Then you want to take your spruce trapdoor and put it right there, like right there. Like put that there, and put it right there. And then let's see, how did I do this? Okay, see now. So break this block, and then place a block there, and then put a layer slab like that, and then stair right there, right there. And then place the block there, and put your trapdoor again. So you have this like ring. So now what you're gonna want to do, place your slabs right here, 1, 2, 3, and then take an oak button or a button of your choice, preferably oak or spruce button. Then put them right there for your oil gas can cap things, whatever you call them. And then take your slabs and put it right there. Make it this shape and fill it in. So cover this up. And then we'll take your spruce trapdoor and make it right there. So here is, yeah, you also want to put your oak trapdoor right here for this thing. I don't know why these are here. Oh yeah, right, these don't have it, so get rid of these. You don't need these. Oh yeah, I couldn't put the boxes, the crates right here, because they don't really work. Because you could put them right there, but that just doesn't look good. So yeah, I'm not gonna do that. So just do this right here. So this is basically layer 4. Now for the second and final layer, what you're gonna do is take a dark oak stairs, wherever I put that, right there. So put them right there. And then put green concrete all over like this. Oh yeah, I'm gonna also need a ladder. So put a ladder in here, like there. Oh yeah, right, I need to do this, the inside of the turret basket. So what you're gonna wanna do, from right here, place the trapdoor right there, then enter your tank, go all the way over here, open that, and then place one right there, and open it, and go over here, then place one, look at the side of the ladder, and then open it. And now you have this, so you can just edit that, and now open in here. So there you go. Now you place your maps in there. So there's that. So I'm gonna place a trap door a spruce trapdoor or whatever trapdoor of your kind, that preferably so you can't see through it right there. And then let's take your dark oak fence gate and put them right there and right there. So you have your gun. Now for the coaxial machine gun, you want to place a sign and when you go place down right there, go one down. They have right there, however many this is. You can pause the video and then put like 3 equals and then 4 equals and then an O for your 30 cal machine gun. So I think that might be a little bit less of that, but so basically this is the second last layer. For the final layer, I'm going to put this here, and then put the slab there, and then put an end rod for the 30 cal right there. So if you want to have the hatch open, so just put like a thing right there. So that's going to be your hatch opening thing. We'll put them on either side for that hatch to be open. So that's basically it. I think I might be missing something, but like where the antenna would go, but I don't know where that would go. So hopefully you enjoyed this video, guys, and I guess so. Tell me what you think in the comments. I know there's supposed to be a hatch right there, but I can't really fit it in there. So tell me what you think in the comments. So I guess I'll see you guys next time. Oh yeah, you can also make it a desert camouflage, since it was used by the British and the Americans in North Africa. So yeah, you can do that.